Hello craft enthusiasts, welcome back to Craft Corner. Today we have an amazing project to show you. We are going to create beautiful Christmas ring perfect for wall decoration. Begin by taking a glitter sheet and using a pencil mark parallel lines on the sheet with the 5 cm space between each line. Ensure that the lines are evenly spaced to create a neat and a uniform strips. Now take each glitter strip and join them together using a glue. Pay attention to the sequence and make sure none of the strips left behind. Connect strips that are directly in front of each other. After connecting the glitter strip, you will notice a small ring forming where the strips meet. Now proceed to join these small rings together. Use glue to surely attach each to the one next to it. By the end of this video, you will be a certified Christmas ring artisan. Put it on your resume. It is a serious skill. Imagine in the interview, you can say easily, yes, I can create a festive ring for any occasion. Now join the both end of the glitter sheet and create a ring. Wait, our duty has not been done yet. Next, create a strip for hanging on the wall. Cut a separate piece from the glitter sheet. Consider the desired length for hanging. The strip will serve as an attachment point for your Christmas ring. Hey there, awesome viewers. If you are loving the content, smash the subscribe button, ring the notification bell and show some love with the thumbs up. Apply this strip on the ring with the glue. Hey fantastic viewers, don't forget to drop a comment below with your name and your awesome country name, because I have got a virtual hug waiting to be sent your way. Let's turn this comment section into a global hug fest. This one hug coming to a reach from Pakistan. Get ready to elevate your glitter sheet ring with a dazzling bow. Watch as I add a touch of glam in just few simple steps. Take a small pieces of a glitter sheet and cut it on two sides. As demonstrated in the video, trim the other two sides differently. One side will be used for wrapping, indicating the rough position, where the folded side will meet. Cut the last side in a specific style to complete the ribbon. There it is, you have just made a glamorous bow. Make your glitter Christmas ring look even better by putting a pretty bow on one side. It's like a finishing touch that makes it look really nice for the holiday. Your Christmas ring is ready. Now you can use it for a wall decor. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.